Vivo V20 with Snapdragon 720G, 44MP selfie camera launched in India for 24,990 rupees. Vivo is adding a new smartphone to its mid-range portfolio in India today. The Vivo V20, as promised, had been unveiled with a Snapdragon 720G chipset, 44MP selfie camera, and 64MP triple rear camera onboard. This is also the company's first ever smartphone to come with Android 11 out of the box. Vivo V20 specifications. Vivo V20 finally arrives in India as the successor to Vivo V19 from earlier this year. It brings significant upgrades on the camera front and under the hood. The device also features a sunset melody, gradient matte finish on the rear. It is super reflective but looks pretty. The smartphone includes a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, a 20:9 aspect ratio, and 2400 x 1080 pixel resolution. You have an in-display fingerprint sensor and a water drop notch, housing a 44MP selfie sensor, at the top. The selfie camera is one of the key attractions of the Vivo V20 as it supports eye tracking autofocus (IAF). Eye tracking autofocus allows the camera to follow your eyes even when you are in motion. It can keep tracking you while you're up close or far away with ease. The rear camera module includes a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. Vivo V20 supports a number of camera features including Super Night Selfie, steady-face selfie video, slow-mo selfie videos, wide-angle night mode, and more. Under the hood, Vivo V20 is powered by the Snapdragon 720G chipset, the same as the Realme 7 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro. You will also find 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of built-in storage, and a modest 4000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging using the USB Type-C port at the bottom. It runs Android 11-based Fun Touch OS 11 out of the box. Price and availability. Vivo V20 has been priced at 24,990 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB base variant, whereas the higher-end 8GB plus 256GB variant will see users shell out 27,990 rupees in India. Vivo V20 FE has also been confirmed to launch in the country very soon. The smartphone comes in 3 color variants, namely Moonlight Sonata, Midnight Jazz, and Sunset Melody. It's now up for pre-order via Vivo's online shop and Flipkart with sales kicking off October 20th.